Alright folks, welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to look at hardening Firefox for maximum privacy in 2025. So Firefox is pretty good out of the box, but it still leaks more data than you'd think. In this video I'm going to show you 6 simple settings you can change right now to harden Firefox in 2025. They're quick fixes and they'll make a big difference to your privacy. Step 1. Enhanced tracking protection. So first thing, open up Firefox, then go up to the hamburger menu in the top right hand corner and scroll down to settings. From here, go over to the left and select privacy and security. Here you have enhanced tracking protection. By default it's set to standard. So we are going to select strict, and what this will do, it will block social media trackers, cross-site cookies in all windows, tracking content in all windows, crypto miners, and known and suspected fingerprints. Once you have this selected, correctly reload all tabs. Okay, so step number 2 is to disable telemetry. In other words, Firefox data collection. If you keep scrolling down, you will come to Firefox data collection in use. I just untick everything in here. I don't want to send any details to Mozilla at all. Step number 3, enable HTTPS only mode. This is an easy one, so we just scroll down further and you will see HTTPS only mode. You want to enable HTTPS only mode in all windows. What this does is force your browser to use the secure version of sites whenever available. If you accidentally type in an old HTTP version, Firefox will upgrade it automatically. Step 4, we want to change the default search engine. Now let's talk search. Out of the box, it's usually set to Google, which is not the best thing for privacy. So we are going to go over to search, and you will see default search engine. We want to select something apart from Google, so we will go with DuckDuckGo. It's not perfect, but it's a lot less creepy than Google. Alright, so step 5, resist fingerprinting. It's a little bit more advanced, but you should have no problems to follow along. So go up to the search bar and type about:config. And then hit enter. It will say proceed with caution. We want to accept the risk and continue. And in the search preference name, you want to search for resist fingerprinting. And you will see privacy.resist fingerprinting is set to false. We want to double click this and change it to true. What this does is makes it harder for sites to build a unique fingerprint of your browser. It can sometimes cause tiny layout quirks, but privacy-wise it's worth trying. And the final step is step 6, extensions. In this step we're going to add uBlock Origin and Privacy Badger extensions to Firefox. So first go to search and type uBlock Origin Firefox and enter, and if you scroll down you'll see Firefox add-ons uBlock Origin, so select that, and here we want to add this to Firefox. Allow extension to run in private windows if you wish so, and click add. Okay, and the next extension we want to add is Privacy Badger. So search Privacy Badger Firefox, and you will see Firefox add-ons, Privacy Badger, select that, and we want to add this to Firefox as well, and allow extension to run in private windows if you wish so. Okay, and what this will do is Privacy Badger automatically learns which domains to block, and uBlock Origin will block all ads and trackers, and it's really lightweight. So if you load up a site that's full of ads, refresh the page after installing and you'll see the difference instantly. Both work well together. And that's it, folks. 6 easy tweaks to make Firefox way more private in 2025. Strict tracking, no telemetry, HTTPS everywhere, better search, fingerprinting defense, and those 2 extensions. If you found this video useful, hit subscribe here on Safe Web Life. I'll be doing similar guides for Chrome, Brave, and even Edge. So you can lock down your browser, whichever one you use. Stay safe online and see you in the next one.